The goal is to make $100,000 this year by day trading futures. Today, I lost $2,002, and I'll share how that happened so that you won't follow the same mistakes. Alright, looking at the weekly price chart, that has already taken out previous week highs, which is a really great area of liquidity. I could see a bullish order block forming here. Depending on what this candle does, it could be a fair value gap, but we'll see. All right, there's a weekly fair value gap here that price respected. Let's go to the candle. There's an inefficiency right here where the bullish order block is on the weekly candle. So this is an area of interest for me if price decides to retrace right there. Looking at the 4-hour, there's a lot of inefficiencies on the 4-hour. Let's see what the fib shows us. The fib is telling us that optimal trade entry is around that weekly order block and the fair value gap, the daily fair value gap. So if price decides to retrace down, which I believe it will, because normally in the beginning of the week, if price is bullish, then it'll come down first and then pump up. So maybe today, tomorrow, possibly Wednesday, we could see price come back down into this area to launch if price is still bullish. So that's what we're going to be looking for. The 1-hour price is kind of just consolidating, pushed up a little bit. That could be manipulation. We're just going to watch out for that. Not going to rush into any trades. 15-minute. Took out Asia and London highs in this consolidated area. Prices above the previous week's highs. Yeah, I would be expecting price to come back down a little bit to send price up to create some liquidity. Looking at the 5-minute chart. So I'm going to watch this price action here because this could be the 2022 ICT model, which means that this fair value gap right here will be an area where price will come up to and come back down if price is bearish, right? If price is bullish and this fair value gap does not hold and kind of breaks through, then it turns into an inverse fair value gap, and it means that the price is bullish and it's headed upward. So that's what we're going to be watching here right now. We're not going to do anything. We're not going to trade anything at the moment. There's a lot of volume imbalances here. There's one right here that price is already filled. There's fair value gaps. So all of this area here, I'm going to look for price to take. Until price takes this fair value gap to the upside, I'm not bullish. So I'm just going to sit tight and wait. The only news we have this week is Thursday and Friday at 8:30. We got the durable goods on Thursday, the GDP growth rate. And then we got the core PCE price index, personal income, personal spending on Friday. So this is the news that we'll look out for. If price wants to wait for that, then we could definitely see price kind of just consolidate and just move sideways until then. But we'll see. All right. It's 9:25. We're 5 minutes away from 9:30 open, so we're going to be watching what price does. It took out London low. Price looks like it wants to push up into 9:30 open. Again, if price takes out this fair value gap here, then I'm going to go bullish. The 1-minute chart definitely looks bullish. You see this displacement up? There's a small imbalance right there, so I put a buy limit order there. I'm going to move this up a little bit. I'm going to put my stop loss down here. Let's look at the 5-minute candle to see where price is. It's about to break that IFEG, or it's about to turn this fair value gap into an inverse. I truly do believe it's going to go up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel this micro order. All right, let's see how this position does. Just a little recap of that trade. I wasn't able to talk during that position because I was in a call. But you can see my executions here. I bought one. You saw it in the video. The position sold here from this high. And what price decided to do was take out that high and displace downward. So right now, I believe price is bearish, but it's holding the previous week's high level here. In the beginning of the video, I said that if price is bullish, I could see price come down and then come back up. Currently, I am up $375 for the day. I'm not going to rush into anything. I'm going to try to get funded today, but we'll see. I'm going to enter here 2 contracts. Boom. It's okay. Sell limit order. I'm going to target these relative equal highs there. So this is a 3 to 5.4 RR trade. Let's see how this does. I stepped away from the computer, so I couldn't record the loss on this trade, but it triggered my stop loss at $39 for this losing trade. And so far I've taken 1 winning trade, 1 losing trade, which brings my account to $334.14 in profits. I'm going to be hunting for another position shortly, but it is lunchtime, so I'm going to be patient. Alright, not a great day. I'm down $2,002 on my 100K funded account, which brings my portfolio down to 101,894. This means that my account is locked out. I can no longer make trades on this account until tomorrow. Basically, I was patient in the beginning and I made a mistake and it put me on tilt. I need to learn how to take losses. When I take losses, I'm okay for the first loss, and then when I take the second loss, it kind of just triggers something in me, and risk management just kind of goes out the door, which isn't good. So yeah, that's what happened. I mean, there's really nothing else to say. I need $6,000 to get funded on this account. I'm back down to $1,894 in overall portfolio profits. What I am able to lose is my account can't go below $1,000. So I basically have $1,894 left on this account. Tomorrow will be a better day. I just need to kind of reflect on why I took all of those bad trades. I mean, today was just really bad. I completely stopped managing my risk. After that $380 win, it just went downhill. And yeah, not great. Not great. But tomorrow's another day, so I'll catch you all tomorrow.